Instructions on how to download. Light meanings. Questions. Paper to print. Oh shit, it's breaking already. Don't call me Butterfingers for nothing. So this one on Amazon, I believe, is $300. This is your cord. 2 power on. We tried one other wireless printer, but honestly, it was like the Jaden on Amazon, and it did not work. We couldn't even get it set up. It was ridiculous. So hopefully this is a little bit easier, because it's a little bit more expensive than the other one. We were using just a regular Brothers printer, but it uses a lot of ink, a lot of paper. Just wastes a lot of time because you gotta cut it all out, and much easier to have like a wireless. They have the wired ones where you just plug into a computer, but I'm not a computer person. I would rather be completely mobile. So that's it. I will let you know how it goes.